right, we've got the Jefferson Curl, which is arguably one of the best stretches you should be adding to your repertoire. The reason why it's so good is because it forces you to produce force through the end ranges with an outer range stretch to the hamstring. So we can either start with something lighter like a dumbbell or a kettlebell, or we can start to get into the barbell so we can start to increase the load. The way we want to start is from the top down, so we want to tuck our chin to our chest. Then we want to start coming down one vertebrae at a time, keeping that bar super close to our body. And if we pause there, you can see that Brady's got his legs fully locked out. So we're looking for a quad squeeze to ensure that our hamstring's at full length, and then we can start to come down the full way. So if at any stage you break from the knees, just have a rest, start again, and try and keep the knees fully extended the whole way out. So the aim is to go as deep as you can, maybe hold for 1 or 2 seconds, and then come back up. And we're looking for about 10 reps. Ideally, you know, the pro athletes will be able to get about body weight on the bar, but obviously you want to build into that over a long period of time. And we're looking for about 10 reps. So let's just go one more. Nice and slow on the way down, keeping that bar nice and close to the body. And then if we can get the bar past our toes, we can chill out there. Now there's one way we can increase the intensity of this stretch, and that would be to sort of soften the knees at the bottom, allow that bar to come down a little bit further, hold it there, and now we're going to try and extend the knees whilst the bar stays where it is. And you can see how hard that is. So now we're forcing our hamstrings to lengthen under load, which is an awesome way to get that increased length. So maybe do a few bounces down there and then come back up when you're ready.